Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GITD Solution, and this is your host. In this video, I will show you how you can enable fast startup mode on your Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, click on search option. Now type here control panel. Now click on control panel. Now click on hardware and sound. Now click on change what power buttons do. Now click on change settings that currently unavailable. And from here, right check on turn on fast startup. Right check on it. Now click on save changes. Now close this window and restart your computer. This basic setting will enable fast startup mode on your Windows 11. So friends, I really hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.